For me, before you decide, make sure na mentally, physically, at saka spiritually po, ready na po kayo. The family needs to be aligned. The family needs to talk together para po alam ng lahat na, okay, Lola or Mama is getting a hip replacement, Papa is getting a hip replacement because he has really poor quality of life. He cannot go to the mall, hindi na nakakapunta sa palengke, hindi na makakabiyahe, always staying in the room na kasi masakit na. But of course, the next question, and this is the question that we talked about, is, Doc, what's the difference between anterior, posterior na surgical approaches? Kasi some of the patients are confused po. Ano ba yung hip replacement na anterior approach and ano yung posterior approach? So, anterior means from the front. So, you access it from the front of the patient. Sa may singit po sa harap. Yung posterior is sa may likod or back. Sa may likod is posterior. The hip that has the fastest recovery, in my personal opinion, and you can do your own research, is yung anterior, because I used to do it from the posterior and I shifted to anterior because the patients, when you don't cut muscle, are recovering faster. I've seen patients walking immediately after surgery, few hours, and so I think my patients are very happy with the anterior.